Hi, my name is Mike. I'm the product line manager for La Sportiva North America. I'm excited to introduce the La Sportiva Synchro ski boot, a combination of freeride inspired performance and touring friendly features that recently received the Powder Magazine 2018 Skier's Choice Award. Based on our award-winning Spectre series, the Synchro has a similar fit with a flex of 125, making it ideal for individuals who are looking to ski big lines with big skis, but also needing a high range of motion for long days of touring. The Vibram sole has a deep lug set, which offers superb grip in variable conditions or while kicking steps. If you have a specific tech or AT binding, the Synchro is perfect, as it is one of the few boots that is compatible with all of them, including the Marker Kingpin or the Ski Trap TR2. The Synchro uses a lightweight Grille mid shell, a patented carbon-reinforced vertebrae, and a robust power strap, which allows you to transfer power from your foot to your boot to your ski effortlessly and efficiently. The ski walk mechanism can be changed easily with one hand, and the double power tongue provides a high range of motion while touring, but can stiffen up easily with the closure of the top two buckles. The new Pegasus Plus buckles allow for micro adjustments that allow you to leave them open while touring, and when you're ready to ski, close them up without having to reset them. The Easy Wrap Overlap Liner is made from an Ultralon foam that is thermally moldable and provides a custom fit that is both warm and secure. Available now with a size range from 25 to 31.5 for men and 23 to 26.5 for women, the La Sportiva Synchro and Shadow are a backcountry freeride quiver of one.